Traffic infrastructure maintenance simply cannot be left undone. You also want to avoid accidents and costly emergency repair. Say hello to ScanwAi, the AI-driven infrastructure repair platform. Say goodbye to driving around slowly while taking notes by hand or expensive laser scanning. The ScanwAi mobile app tirelessly detects road defects in real time and transfers the data to your system without human errors or delay. You can direct human expertise to where it is most needed, fixing the problems. ScanwAi knows traffic signs and spots wear and tear. It knows Dubai manhole covers, damages on Australian roads, and airstrips around the world. So we can handle your infrastructure wherever you are. ScanwAi is budget-friendly, easy to implement, and it exports data to your current platforms. Welcome to the next chapter of infra management.